I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Peugeot Partner from any screen. I'll just turn the radio down. From any screen, menu, which is just to the bottom left of this circular button. So menu, depending on where it is, you just navigate using the arrows to Bluetooth telephone audio, Bluetooth configuration, OK, and then you've got connect, disconnect an equipment, consult the paired equipment, delete a paired equipment, or perform a Bluetooth search. For this we want delete a paired equipment. That's it. Highlight the phone, Barry's iPhone, click. It defaults to yes. Click yes, or just the arrow to the right if you've made a mistake and you're deleting the wrong phone. Just do that again. So menu to Bluetooth, Bluetooth configuration, and then navigate to delete a paired equipment. It defaults to yes, but if you've made a mistake you can just click the arrow there to no, back to yes, deletion complete. So that's that.